Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I don't have any parts yet. It's been about a few days or so. So I figured I'd hand lap these valves in. Now I usually use Permatex in like a small tube, but the only thing I could find was locally was this Permatex water mix. I just poured out probably 2 ounces of water, so it should still work. I'll show you how I do that. It's got some usually I put a piece of cardboard down, squeeze it out of the tube, and then just twist the valve in and coat the valve surface like such. This is the intake valve. Just spin her in. But you could do this. If I got the right stuff, which I might. You got a piece of gas hose. That is small. Got a piece of fuel line here. Do not, you take a piece of fuel line, stick on your valve here, put it in the drill, and but we do things the poor farm way. So you just spin this thing around some. Then what you look for is after you clean your valve off, well, you look for, you see this line right here around it, right above my fingernail? That's where you ground it into the valve seat. Just make sure you spray them off, brake clean, get them all clean. Otherwise, you won't have a complete or good sealing surface. And just do the other valve. Make sure you spray off your head too when you're done. And that is it. Just clean off your head when you're done. See if it'll focus in now. See the line right there. Right there. Should seal up. Fantastic. And that's how you lap your valves. Just make sure you clean everything. Brake clean. I didn't have any. I used some CRC electronic cleaner. Trying to, you know what I mean? But that's it. Quick update. Got some parts in from GoPowersports.com. Got their Stage 1 filter tray. I mainly wanted it for this filter adapter. With the choke, hold down, dude, gaskets, filter, pre-filter, 41 mil or 41 thou jet, I believe. That's how they do them. Here is the bike, Coleman CT200U EX. So I got the Coleman header. Obviously I'm going with the Predator. I already made sure it'd work out. Went ahead and wrapped it. Got the riser kit. And this is the Comet 30 with the Juggernaut driver from GoPowersports.com. Still waiting on engine parts. They shipped. I should have them fairly soon, I would think. This one here, all I have to do with it is take the side cover off, pop the piston out, change the rod, pull the fuel tank off, take the governor stuff out, run a bolt down in the governor hole, flip the pull starter around some, about a 33.5 degree rotation. Then assemble the head, put the valve springs, and then put the camshaft in. Then we're going to put it in. Going to use hopefully the factory kill switch. I'll probably have it daisy chained into the one on the engine. That way we'd have two sequence kill switches. Be like Furiosa. You got 7 switches? No, not really. And then we're gonna cut a piece of galvanized there. Took the storage tank off. I'm gonna put one here. Probably cut this triangle out here because the fuel tank's gonna sit like right here. It's gonna be kind of a bad place to put fuel in. Predator, if you're listening, make more accessible fuel happeners, tanks. That will happen. Then we're gonna, my buddy, he 3D prints stuff. I'm gonna get a mount for a DeWalt battery. We're gonna put on this plate we put here. It'll slide a DeWalt battery in, hook up the light. We're gonna get a different light. Not sure if we're gonna go with a round or like a pod or probably just a pod. But it should be pretty sweet. That's my little update for y'all. Parts are starting to accumulate. I've got everywhere around here. Got the old stuff pulled off. 5/8 shaft, and then they got the old jack shaft mount doodad. And the old stuff there. But yeah. So we have running and driving. Hopefully get enough jet on the stock carburetor. That way I don't have to go to like a PZ22 or I got a few bags. I got a few different jets here. That's not cool. That's not cool. But yeah. Well, I don't have to go to like the PZ22 or the, that's the 27, PZ27 right there. But yeah, should be pretty sweet. My cousin's pretty geeked about it. I got the go-kart down and Took the battery out of that, put the starter box, and let him hear it. He's like pretty geeked about it. But yeah, that's a little parts update. Next one we'll be working on the engine. Then we'll be trying to get the thing jetted up. Make sure see if we got enough jet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Stay tuned. Mini bike montage. Torq Monster.